Today, we're gonna blow up the world. Hey everyone, Tobin Doobie here, about to head out, shoot some cartography activities. We've been working on these for the last few weeks, working with all kinds of amazing CC families, getting together with their kids, acting out homeschool activities that we designed to show to you, to inspire you with ways to explore map making and geography with your students in a hands-on way.
Chris, today is our fourth and final cartography shoot. Are you psyched?
Very psyched.
Sarah, this is the fourth and final cartography shoot. Are you psyched? I'm psyched. Are you psyched?
Yes.
Today we're going to be using these globes here. Very precise. Oh yeah. Let's go do the final shoot.
Hey Yvonne, what are we cooking today?
We're going to be making some flatbread and tzatziki and homemade hummus.
This is Yvonne Berry's helped me out with several shoots now. This is Philip and Richie gonna do some activities for us today, and if they can take a break, we're gonna go set up some lights.
Chris, I'm assuming you're on a double.
I was doing close-ups.
Oh, okay. Don't do extreme close-ups of the globe to get their faces, because I'm on the globe.
What do you guys think? Did it look the way that you expected?
No.
It's a little different, isn't it? Actually, can you guys start over? Philip, take the new piece of paper, like you were bringing it to Richie. All right, and now go ahead and put it back down and keep it up. Just made the berry projection of the globe, or I guess it's not a projection, it's a enwrapment of the globe.
It's two. I can't do it anymore.
Are you sure? Look at Chris one time and then... These and then... Thank you.
All right, now go ahead, Philip. So that was exhausting. It was also awesome. Our talents made this flower map projection. It's like a piece of art. It's like what they would have on the wall at a hippie elementary school. Okay, so like I said, the activities that we shot today and more are gonna become inspirational homeschool ideas on Facebook, Pinterest, Facebook, interest, and Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest. All three of those places, right, Sarah?
Yes, all three of those places.
Hopefully in the next week. So subscribe to our channel if you aren't already, join our Facebook group, and follow us in all of those other places. And I will see you in the next video.